What up? This your boy SI, back for another one. If you follow your boy on Instagram, then you know I've been doing a little something with my Oreo dipstick. Now I was thinking about using like a pencil topper. They're called pencil toppers, old school pencil toppers, and also this little bitty mod. I wouldn't say mod, but it's a little something I like to do. I haven't seen nobody do it yet, only me. And that was on my CRX when I had the little Jason mask. We will be adding a little something on my Oreo dipstick on the cockroach outside. Custom one-off Cobra Commander mask. Now, there's a lot of little characters I was going through, you know, to see what I wanted. I had Batman, Superman, endless of characters. And I came across this Darth Maul, custom one-off Darth Maul that was already made. Darth Maul character, just the head. But as you know, Darth Maul, everybody knows Darth Maul is red and black. My engine bay is blue, primer, and like a little bit of polish, and black. So the Darth Maul head wouldn't have went with it. But the Darth Maul little sculpture is so sick and so precise. I was damn near willing to change my entire engine bay color to red and black just because I wanted that Darth Maul head. But I just didn't want to do it. But the head, like the head, that's what she said. But the little sculpture is so sick. This has been like, I say, a week. It took me to get this. So let's get into it. Got the keys to the Rex and the hatch. So let's open it up right now. Brand new, of course. But little unboxing for y'all. This is my first time seeing it in person also. Got the little, your free stuff, blah, blah, blah. Little card. Ooh. Black Ops toy stickers. All right, for sure. Okay, I can feel how big it is. This is a 1x6. Oh my gosh, I can already see it through the bubble wrap. This, oh my gosh. Dude. Bro. This is sicker than I thought it was going to be. All right. I just bumped my head right now, but bro, God, this exceeded my expectations a million times, dude. This is crazy. Holy shit. If y'all hear some bumping, that's the kids upstairs. Oh, shit. Oh my gosh, this is amazing, bro. Check it out. Just check it out. Dude, what the Jesus Christ? Do you guys see this right here? I'm over my hand all shaking and shit. Oh my gosh, bro. What the? Dude, I see why this costs so much. This cost me like $110. Dude, this is incredible, bro. Holy shit. Look at the mirror finish on a face though. It's like a little rubber head in here. So now the plans with this, I was gonna make it detachable. I didn't know this little rubber headpiece came in here like this. It looks like you can already fit this on like a pencil or something, but this is perfect because we're gonna make this detachable. So this is already perfect. I already ordered some magnets, some like strong ground magnets, like really small, and I'm just going to JB weld the magnet. I may not even have to JB weld it, but just to be safe, I'm going to JB weld the magnet inside, and then JB weld a magnet on top of my oil dipstick, so this can be detachable. And it's like I found the strongest magnets that I could find, because I don't want to lose this. This is one-off, custom, baby. And also, this little mod, this little, you know, stuff I like to do, it's just me. I have not seen anybody else in a car game, in a Honda game, do this but me. Oh my gosh, this is amazing, dude. Jesus. It's so pretty, I don't even want to put it on my car. Dude, this is sick. I know it was sweet, but I didn't know it was going to be this damn fresh. What the? Let's see if we can take like, is the hair, is it removable? I don't know. I think the head is, I'm not sure. The head, I feel like was removable, or it's just in there like super tight, but I'm not going to force it to, you know, to try to get it out. But I think this head is removable though, the inside rubber piece, but we're just going to keep it there. Oh my gosh, man, this is so fucking fresh. And if anybody's seen my Jason mask, let me go get that real quick. Now, I know you guys remember this, right? This one-off Jason mask I had. Yeah, I know you guys is looking like, why is there like stuff from the front? Because I had this on the CRX, right? And it got so hot over the time, I didn't let it cool down one day. And then I went to go check the oil, and the entire mask came apart. So I had to put it back, JB weld it, smooth it, sand it, and put it back together. Now on this right here, is getting copied, another different material. I'm gonna get CNC 3D copied, just like this, but in metal. What type of metal? I'm not gonna tell y'all. Y'all can use your imagination for that. Just imagine this in metal material. Ooh, wait, right? Sitting on the Rex, how it was? Gonna be fucking epic. So yeah, when the magnets get here, oh, I could look at this all day. And it's like, it's sturdy too. It's not cheap at all. Like, I don't know what is this made out of, but I don't know. It's like hard plastic or something like that. But look at the detail though. I want to show you guys. Like, really look at this. The detail is crazy accurate, bro. Look at that. Oh my gosh, dude. This is, bro. I'll even give you guys a shot of the Jason mask too. It broke. It broke like right here. I had to fix all that. I had to drill the holes back in it and all that. I got to drill 2 holes on this side because I know there's 2 holes on a mask. That's like right there. But I have to drill 1 for the nose and 6 right here. But we'll be putting this. Oh, man, I low-key don't even want to put it up. I just want to set this on my desk. But I gotta, you know, I gotta shit on y'all niggas. I'm just playing. But yeah, this will be going on the hatch. This your boy SI Rico. Hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. We'll be looking forward to this probably like next few days, and really be looking forward to this because this is going to be crazy epic. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one when the magnets come and we'll get to it. It's your boy SI Rico. Love y'all. Much love to my boy James D guy. I I'll be doing a video up, put my turbo blanket on a hatch because I have two. And he just made a video and got me want to put my eyes on now. So yeah, but this your boy SR Rico. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care. Love y'all. Peace.